Hello there, very good afternoon to you. Well, a grey and dreary picture today. Some of you have caught some spells of brightness, but mostly cloudy, and we'll see increasing amounts of drizzle throughout this afternoon. Tomorrow, some drier and brighter conditions, a bit more in the way of sunshine, but both days feeling rather breezy with a brisk wind. So temperatures a touch disappointing today for the time of year, with highs of 17 degrees. Those winds moderate to a fresh breeze coming from the southwest, increasing amounts of drizzle later on, and we could see mist and fog for a time as well this evening, but not too long lasting. So after midnight we'll get clearer periods and drier spells as well, with minimum temperatures of 14 degrees. So tomorrow looking like a brighter and sunnier day. We'll see less in the way of rain and drizzle, should be mainly dry, but there's still quite a brisk wind, so it's not feeling too warm for the time of year, with highs of 18 to 19 degrees, just a touch up on what we are expecting today, more in the way of sunshine though. Now if we take a look at our week as a whole, the next few days not looking too bad, some bright and sunny spells, still a moderate breeze but turning a bit unsettled as we make our way into next week. So we are around midweek now, but we haven't said goodbye to the cloud and grey weather. Quite a dull and dreary picture overall today, but if that isn't your cup of tea, well, tomorrow looking like it could be quite a different scene overall. We're saying goodbye to the cloud and drizzle. That should slowly start to clear in the latter part of this evening, so more in the way of sunshine tomorrow, and it should be a dry day too, but it will still feel fairly breezy, some quite biting winds, particularly later on in the afternoon. Today though, you can see from the satellite we've had a fair amount of low cloud around that hasn't really shifted, and actually for a time this evening that could thicken up once again, so we may even see some mist and fog patches, just reducing visibility a touch, but that should soon clear off. So after midnight we'll have clear spells and dry weather to come as well, still a fresh breeze and minimum temperatures overnight of 14 degrees. So tomorrow should be a brighter and sunnier day overall, and a dry day too, even less rain than we're seeing on the chart here. But as I said, it is still going to feel quite fresh outside, winds up to a force 4 to fresh force 5 coming from the west. So even with more sunshine about, it isn't going to feel especially warm for the time of year, highs of 18 to 19 degrees. So just a touch up on the figures for today. Let's get our times of high water then, around 6 in the morning, later on between 6 and 7. And sea temperature is now at 17 degrees. So in summary, looking at the next few days, not bad tomorrow and Friday, some dry, fine and settled weather, still that moderate breeze, but you can see for the latter part of the weekend and into next week, turning a bit more unsettled with some showers on the way.